Many parents consider at some point in their lives when to try and get pregnant with their second child. I'm Nurse Heather, medical advisor with Premom, and today we're going to talk about when to try for your second little bundle of joy. First of all, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question because every family is so unique. What may be the perfect time to try and conceive for one family may be entirely different for another, but there are a few factors to consider. First and foremost, we want to be sure that your body is physically ready to be the home to your future baby for the next 9 months. So we want to have that conversation with your healthcare provider about any underlying medical history and your previous pregnancy history. That's a big responsibility for your body to be everything this baby needs. So we want to make sure you're in tip-top physical health. We also want to consider the fact that it is medically recommended to wait around 24 months between giving birth and getting pregnant again. However, this varies for every woman specifically. Also, you want to consider your mental health. Ask yourself, am I mentally ready to take care of a whole nother tiny human? And your support system plays a huge role here as well. Do you have family or friends nearby that can help you out when you need it? This can be a huge relief for new families. Now consider the age of your first child. This can be a crucial factor for some because some parents may prefer that their children be closer in age while others may want a larger age gap. Think about how this age gap will impact your family. Do you want a small age gap where your first child will likely never remember what it was like growing up without their sibling? Or do you want a bigger age gap where your first child can help take care of the baby and thereafter? It's also important to consider financial. Raising a baby is so expensive, and when you're expanding your family and adding a whole nother human to your family, it can get a bit more costly. So you want to ensure that you've done a bit of financial planning and that you are comfortable taking care of both you, your partner, and your children's needs. And also consider your career or educational goals. Is there something you would like to accomplish before adding another member to your family? Are you up for a big promotion? Are you graduating in a year and a half? Whatever the situation may be, make sure that you feel comfortable with whatever you decide at this point in your life. Do you want to reach certain milestones first? Or are you ready to go ahead and try now? It's totally up to you. And also make sure that you are chatting with your partner about this. Are you both ready to try and expand your family? It's really important to have that open and honest communication because you want to be sure that you're both on the same page. So there's no perfect time to have a second child. It's really all about what works best for you and for your family. But don't forget, no matter what you decide, your journey to parenthood, during parenthood, it's all so important and it's really one of the biggest parts of your life. So don't forget to cherish every moment of that, regardless of what you decide. But when you do decide the time is right, the free Premom app can help you track your ovulation to time intercourse appropriately to get pregnant. So there's only about 6 days per cycle that you can actually get pregnant. So it helps really narrow down that fertile window so you know when it's time to baby dance. If you liked this video and want to see more of our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what your thoughts are about this and what kind of age gap you'd like to see between your littles in the comments.